Hi there, today we're gonna graft a fig with a pollinator and we're gonna use a metal punch. This is usually bought online, there is a set. And we have the pollinator fig, we're gonna find a dormant eye, here we have it. And we're gonna cut the bark around it with the mold. So we just tap around it while moving the mold so that we cut all the circumference. We have to remember which side is up or down. It's important because we cannot graft the tree with a bud upside down. Let's see, we have a little bit here. So we've cut around it. Let me just pull it off. It will be a bit harder under the bud, as that will be a protrusion under the bark, as you can see. And we have the bark, the bud. It's important we keep it clean and we keep this one upwards when we plug it in. So let's continue. Now we found a dormant bud. We have a couple of ones. So it's ideal to use it where we graft the next one. So we grab a hammer, we tap as before, and the bark comes out with it. Hopefully, if not, you need to hammer a bit more. So I remove the bud. This is the extra one. It's important to make it pointing upwards. So it's gonna become like this. And we're gonna seal it with a bit of grafting tape. It's important we don't cover the bud. We only cover the graft. So the dormant bud will have to remain open. This method is ideal because it is an easy method. As you can see, there is the bud, and I will leave it open as much as possible. I'm not sealing it. Sorry, it cut off, it broke off. And this, hopefully, with so much minimum damage, and there is a lot of contact with the bark, hopefully it will take off in a couple of weeks. Hopefully in 1 month it will be nearly in a bursting mold condition. We can give it a bit of tape just so that the cling film doesn't come off. But this method is very easy to do for the ones which are yet starting on grafting. It doesn't need so much skill, but it still needs to pay attention what you're doing. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.